because of the high traffic and the VIPs that are going to attend these celebrations, it must be controlled, it must have some discipline. So we want to ask the public and the wananchi and the travelers that we will be able to discover you a bit because of that sherehe. We will be able to cross this road right from Samson Corner up to Makutano. So the vehicles coming from that area will be able to diverge to go to either Sagana, Kagio, Kagumo, then you run all the way to Embu. Or if you come from Embu, you will be able to divert at Samson Corner, and then you go to Kutus, then you go that way. So we are going to have our men manning those roads to direct those all those motorists who are using those roads to ensure that there is peace and security across that region. Of course, even the Vita roads will be able to be directed. When you have visitors, you have to make yourself disciplined. So we need to ask, especially, we have talked to our colleagues in the eastern region, whereby we have those speed vehicles, the Millers, so that they can reduce speed and they will shown where to go to that road so that we can be able to do that job. So, in essence, is tomorrow we shall be able to open the stadium for Mashujaa by 4 o'clock. We shall be able up and running, so that if you come, you know, most of the people we have invited, they will be brought in by buses that we will be able to ferry them there. Then even when you are going from Wang'uru to Keregoya for mini luncheon, we shall organize. We have already identified parking areas. Your sticker will show you where to go. If you are with a sticker which is red, you will be shown the gate you will use. If it is yellow, you will be shown. If it is green, you will be shown. So we have identified all the parking areas. You will just be directed to go. We want to organize this Mashujaa Day to be one of the best events ever organized, because the stadium is new, and the NH I've seen with my colleagues since we started. We thank our peers, Dr. Kibijo, for consistently trying to organize this activity to ensure that we achieve what we want to achieve. Otherwise, welcome to Mashujaa Day. Feel that when Mashujaa, let us celebrate.